quite peaceful. It's nice to get out into nature, walk around. So far I've passed 2 people on the trail. It's about right. Mostly just Emma and I taking a walk around the nature loop here. Saltwater State Park has a little bit of nature to walk around in. There's some nature trails. This place also has a campground. Looked like there was maybe 10 or so spots that were available, or well, open with people in them. And it looked like maybe another 20 or so spots in the back end of the campground. Thought we'd take just a little short little hike on the nature trail here at Saltwater State Park. This state park is adjacent to a lot of development. We're just south of SeaTac Airport. I think Des Moines is the closest little town. But this little pocket here that the state park has preserved is pretty nice. Pretty convenient to have a state park here next to all the development of the city. This wasn't too far from home. So also here at Saltwater State Park, and get a nice view of the Puget Sound. We're gonna see if we can get a few sunset photos here on a Friday evening in late spring.